Hello students, I am Madhulika, your social science teacher, Buradi Public School, A Venture with Unique. Today we are going to celebrate Shivaji Day, or we can say it Shivaji Jayanti. This festival is celebrated on February 19 every year to celebrate the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the first Chhatrapati and founder of Maratha Empire. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a festival and public holiday of Maharashtra. Now, do you know that who has started that festival? So, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti was first initiated by a great social reformer Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in 1880. He discovered the Samadhi of Shivaji Maharaj in Raigad and celebrated first Jayanti by Satya Shodhak Samaj. Phule also wrote the first Povada on Shivaji Maharaj in 1869. This festival is celebrated by many of our leaders. On that day, they pay tribute to the Shivaji Maharaj. We celebrate this day to show the efforts of Shivaji in the establishment of Hindvi Swarajya, that is, self-rule of Hindu people. Some people celebrate this day as a Hindu calendar Maharashtra. Now many leaders pay tribute to Shivaji on this day for his bravery. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tribute on the 392nd anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj and say his leadership has been inspiring people for generation. He was uncomparing when it came to understanding and standing up for the values of truth and justice. Now let us know something about Shivaji. Shivaji was known as the warrior of Maratha Empire. He was known as a Shivaji Bhonsle. Shivaji Bhonsle, born on 19 February, he was also referred as Chhatrapati Shivaji. He was an Indian ruler and a member of Bhosle Maratha clan. He has established a great empire. In 1964, he was formally crowned as the title of Chhatrapati. Now, do you know what is the meaning of Chhatrapati? Chhatrapati means it is a royal title that is given by the government or by any of the ruler. So, it is mainly the title of Maharashtra. In Indian subcontinent, the meaning of the Chhatrapati is that is something to the protector of the people. Chhatrapati is a Sanskrit language word that is the component work of two words, that is Chhatra and Pati, which is considered as a symbolic representation of protector of people. Chhatrapati Shivaji was born in Shivneri Fort and died in Raigad Fort. Shivaji was well known for his strong religious and warrior code of ethics and exemplary characters he has. He was considered as a great national hero for his strong and religious warrior code of ethics. He was recognized as great independence hero at the time of independence movement also. Now let us talk some of the commemoration of Shivaji. That means how Shivaji is remembered in India. Now we can see that the statue of Shivaji in everywhere in every town of Maharashtra. There is also a navy station that is known as INS Shivaji. There are numerous stamps that are on the name of Shivaji. We can also see that there is a main airport and the railways headquarters in Mumbai that is named after the Shivaji name. So we can say that he is a great emperor, a great warrior, and he will always be remembered as a great emperor and fighter in Indian history. Thank you.